Understanding HACCP, History and Principles of Food Safety. History and overview of HACCP and its 7 principles. HACCP stands for Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points. It is a food safety management system designed to prevent food contamination before it happens. Instead of relying only on inspections after food is prepared, HACCP takes a proactive approach by identifying and controlling risks at every stage of food production. HACCP was first developed in the 1960s when NASA needed a way to ensure that the food for astronauts was completely safe. They worked with food scientists to create a system that prevented hazards rather than just testing for them. This method was so effective that it was later adopted by the food industry worldwide. Today, HACCP is used in restaurants, hotels, food factories, and catering businesses to keep food safe for consumers. It is also recommended by the International Food Safety Guidelines known as Codex. The Codex Alimentarius is a collection of internationally recognized standards, codes of practice, guidelines, and other recommendations published by the Food and Agriculture Organization and World Health Organization of the United Nations relating to food, food production, food labeling, and food safety. The 7 Prince HACCP. HACCP is based on 7 key principles. These steps help businesses identify risks and put controls in place to prevent food safety problems. Principle 1, conduct a hazard analysis. The first step is to identify potential hazards in the food process. These can be biological, like bacteria, chemical, like cleaning residues, physical, like glass or metal fragments, or allergenic, like nuts, sesame seeds, shellfish, or sulfites. Once hazards are identified, businesses can find ways to control them. Principle 2, identify critical control points. A critical control point is a step in the process where a hazard can be controlled or eliminated. For example, cooking chicken to the right temperature is a CCP because it kills harmful bacteria. Principle 3, establish critical limits. Each CCP must have a specific limit that determines if food is safe or not. For example, chicken must be cooked to at least 75 degrees Celsius to kill bacteria. If the temperature is lower, there is a risk of foodborne illness. Principle 4, establish monitoring procedures. Monitoring means regularly checking that food safety controls are working. This could be measuring cooking temperatures, checking fridge temperatures, or ensuring staff are washing their hands properly. Principle 5, establish corrective actions. If a critical limit is not met, immediate action must be taken to fix the issue. For example, if a fridge is too warm, food may need to be moved to a different unit or discarded if it is unsafe. Principle 6, establish verification procedures. Verification ensures that the HACCP system is working properly. This includes reviewing records, calibrating equipment, and carrying out internal audits to check that food safety measures are effective. Principle 7, establish documentation and record keeping. Keeping records is essential for proving that food safety controls are being followed. This includes temperature logs, cleaning schedules, and records of any corrective actions taken. Good documentation also shows due diligence in case of an inspection or food safety incident. HACCP is a risk assessment tool that helps businesses prevent food contamination before it happens. By following these 7 principles, food businesses can protect customers, meet food safety regulations, and build trust in their brand. Implementing HACCP is not just about compliance, it's about making food safety part of your everyday culture.